to Robert's Nature Adventure. Okay, we're going inside my own house, and we're gonna see my mother asleep. This could be very dangerous. With my trusty assistant, Alex. And he will not be holding the camera. Okay, let's go.
I think I'll just put it in the really top.
That's my dad. It's kind of cool. Amazing is happening in this house. Let's see if my dad doesn't notice us. Okay, I have made it inside of my room. Let's go. Now that we're going to be with my mom and Billy videotaping her, I'm going to keep our conversations to a minimum. Just watch. That's my cat. And that's my mom.
Don't.
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! We've been found an abandoned ship! We are now out and free of that dreadful moment with my mother. Anyways, for all you nature lovers, this has been Robert's Nature Adventures. I hope you have a great time. Please do not speak up on my mom.